Amazon listing might be getting traffic, but still silently losing sales every single day. And the reason is something you probably didn't pay much attention to: your brand store. If you look at the top sellers, they don't just focus on listing images, brand story, or A plus content. When you visit their store, you will notice the same level of effort. Everything looks professional and top notch across the entire brand. And it looks like a mini website within Amazon. Interestingly, you will find all the bestsellers have brand store well organized. So, why is it so important? Because brand store build trust, engage customer, enhance brand storytelling, cross sells your product, and average brand store with high quality ratings saw up to 50% higher sales. And that's exactly where most sellers are leaving money on the table. So today I'm going to show you how to improve your brand store to get more clicks and sales. So let's jump in. Alright, so first understand this. Your brand story is basically your mini website on Amazon. So go to any listing. Let me open a random one. You will see Mad Hip Store and you'll notice that it is clickable. So click it and boom, that's where everything lives. Videos, products, sections, all organized cleanly. So if it's built right, it doesn't feel like Amazon. It feels like a real brand. So Brand Store created a brand shopping experience with product collection, images, videos, and content. And by doing so, you increase your brand recognition and customer engagement on the platform. And you know what most interesting? It also drives more sales. I'll show you how, but before that, let me show you how we created Brand Store. So we are at the home page right now and you see the menu bar here like an website, and up above you see the banner. And below the menu bar, we add images with hover hotspot. If hover over the dots, the product appears and you can click to go to the listing. Alright, if I scroll down a bit, you can see we uses a mix of product tiles and shoppable images. And we also add social proof and testimonials. Alright, so that's a quick look at a brand store. You get the idea. Now, does the brand store generate you sales? Yes, it does. For this client we manage, the brand store has already generated $10K in the last 30 days. Here is a simple breakdown. Alright, so first you notice that traffic is coming from Amazon organic search. And you can see over 1,000 new store visitors this year, around 1,580 page views. Most sales are happening directly from the homepage. And the biggest traffic source is Amazon organic. So yes, brand store is actually helping generate real sales. Now the question is, how do you create a brand store? First, we need to be eligible. For that, you need a registered trademark on products or packaging. Your brand must be approved in Amazon brand registry. You must have a professional seller account, not individual. So if you're okay with that, you can create your brand store. So to build a brand store on Amazon, first go to Seller Central and then from the menu go to Stores and click on Manage Stores. Now here you will see your brands. Just click your brand and click on Create Store. If you already started before, you will see Edit Store instead. And if you are completely new, don't worry, you'll just see the Create option. Now once you are inside, first thing, you will land on the setup section. Here you need to add your brand name, upload your logo, you can add tags, not just important, but you can skip or just add a few. Make sure your logo display is turned on and then select the product, create style. For most cases, just go with standard. Now, next step, name, usually homepage. Add a short description and then choose a template. If you're just starting, don't overthink, pick product collection or any simple template and move forward. Now, this is where you actually build a store. So first, we go to the header section. Here you add your banner images. This is the first thing people see, so keep it clean and clear. Next, we add shoppable images. These are images where customer can actually click and go to products. So you upload an image and then link products to it. Then we add product sections or product grids so customer can scroll and directly see your products. After that, we add feature images. These are just images where you explain benefits. Talk about your product, your brand, whatever you want to highlight. Now, if you want, you can also create multiple pages like product pages, category pages, about brand section. But if you're new, honestly, just focus on one clean homepage first. Now, once everything is done, switch between desktop and mobile view. Check if everything looks good, because if it looks broken on mobile, that's where most people are coming from anyway. Finally, click on submit for publishing, and that's it. It usually takes around 24 hours to go live. And one important thing, don't try to make it perfect. Just build it, publish it, improve it over time. Because a simple live store is always better than a perfect store that never gets published. So now you know, your brand store isn't just a page. It's where your sales actually happen. Most sellers ignore it. Smart brand optimize it. So don't overthink it, build it, launch it, improve it. And if you want a brand store that actually converts, reach out us at info@ecomclips.com. We'll help you turn your traffic into real sales. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.